Good morning, traders. This is Stock Trader Advisory, Tuesday, August 31st, and we're going over our Level 1 subscriber update for week 35. So this is last week of August 30th, 2021. So a sudden up week in most stock prices, reversing what had been a declining trend in the midst of abject incompetence on display in Washington. Would seem like odd timing. Remember that investors focus primarily on matters of business, and the participant corporations and many indicators last week suggested that conditions are improving. Pfizer vaccine is fully approved, Delta variant cresting, infrastructure bill moving along, good corporate earnings, and manufacturing is expanding. Friday, the still influential Fed commented that inflation may be easing and unemployment increasing, which gave institutional investors even more optimism. Our analytics were key once again in determining the smart money institutions held, not sold, over the past weeks, and thus we did too, leading to a resumption of profits as prices recovered, a far better outcome than having sold at much lower prices, as many amateur investors recently did. The lesson here, always trust the smart money. So we're Stock Trader Advisory, and on a weekly basis we provide updates on the previous week's stock trending analysis. And our analytics are telling us when and what to purchase and to move on. Our mantra is to follow the smart money and mimic their movements just as if they were our own. This way we are maximizing our returns instead of ebbing and flowing and up and down with day trading or sitting and holding for extended long periods of time, which typically result in a lower return. So essentially we are looking for hot spots. Now this is obviously a shorter term period, but we're looking for the hot spots of when to purchase and when to sell. So we like these little dips down here and these crests up here where we could sell and turn over. So typically we're looking for multiple different variations of when to purchase throughout the course of a stock. And when we follow that smart money, it's telling us when to make those trades. If you're looking for a free sample of our newsletter, head on over to stocktraderadvisory.com. Additionally, we provide you with a free month of insights on when and what to trade online. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or send us an email at info@stocktraderadvisory.com. Good luck this week and happy trading.